Hey everybody, it's Mark, aka Danger Dog with Trash Raiders. So I'm over here in the greater Houston area, and today we're going to be picking up some trash along this beautiful walkway. We're up in the woodlands today, and we're just going to walk these trails and see how much trash we can get out of here. A lot of people claim that the woodlands is, you know, a great place to not see any trash. It's a great place, but trust me, there are tons of trash. This is the greater Houston area, and it is trashy as you can ever imagine. So let's get going. All right. Oh, I already see some trash. What do we got here? Oh. Yeah. All right. Now we got a skull can, dippers, people who dip. Now there's a plastic bottle over there. Ooh, we got a doggy duty bag. Part of one anyway. I don't know if you can see that over there. I'm gonna try and get it. I got it, and that is Popeyes. Yay, thanks Popeyes. Oh, got some more trash over here. See it? Oh. Oh man, what is that? Oh, receipt. Ooh, this was hidden. Barely can see that. It's a foam cube for like floral decorations. You know, those fake flowers. All right. Oh, yeah. Oh, more of that stuff. Yep, more of that. And I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a busy road right there. So I'm assuming that a great deal of this trash has came from, you know, just people trashing the road just by throwing stuff out their window when they're driving, you know. This, what is that? Oh, that's like part of an aluminum can. Milky Way wrapper. Over here. I'm gonna really try and pick up the highlights or the stuff that I can easily get. Like there's another plastic bag or cup or something over there, but I don't know if you can tell, but these bad boys right here, these thorn vines, they'll get you. Oh, there's a beer bottle. I'm gonna definitely get that. Oh, look. Oh, that's a turtle shell. Oh my god. Where is it? I don't know. Oh, no, that's not a turtle shell. Anyway. Alright. There's Bud Light. Oh, there's Skittles. What else we got over here? Oh man, we got some good trash. Yeah, we got a wrapper bag. Oh, dang it. Oh, see what I mean? These things right here get me. No wrapper bag, no plastics like that. Oh man, I could just stay here all day with this little plastic. These little bitty wrapper plastics. What is this? Oh, this is what I hate. I hate seeing this. Like cigar wrappers, White Owls, what is it, Swisher Sweets. Oh man, like people just do not care. They'll throw those out of the window like they just don't care. What is this? I don't know, but again, another plastic wrapper. Going for it. Going for that plastic bottle. Oh God, this got stuck. Oh my God, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it for Mother Nature. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's like, oh my God, did you see that? It was literally embedded under here. So it's been here for a while. Wow. Oh yeah, all right. Just in that little bitty area, we got a lot of trash. I'm just gonna empty this so it's not a whole lot of weight. We're in a drought anyway, so. Oh, now look at this. Got some Hershey wrappers. There's this Milky Way wrapper. What is it with people in junk food? They just don't care. They just throw that stuff out like it's nothing. God, it pisses me off. Oh well, whatever. All right. Oh, and look, 5 more feet, boom, we got more trash. Oh, this is a glass bottle. No label. More wrappers. Oh. All right. Keep on walking. It's a lovely day out. It's like 72 degrees in Houston. And man, let me tell you, that's so much better than the 90-degree weather we've been experiencing here. Oop. What we got over there? Got some more trash? Right over here. Nope, not so much. Oh, there's a doggy duty bag. I'm not touching that. What else we got? All right. More trash here. More wrappers. Again, more wrappers. All these wrappers, man. Sucks. More wrappers, what is that? Heath turtles. Like the Heath candy. Oh man, there's a bunch of trash here. What is this? Oh, some plastic. Most of this trash is plastic. Plastic right here. Got a little plastics. Oh, what we got here? Muscle milk. Oh. Some douchebag just threw that out there. Great, thanks, dude. What we got here? Oh. Ha. Styrofoam plastic, like for packaging. Parts of a plastic bottle. Oh, more doggy doo-doo bags. No doo-doo in them though. I mean, I appreciate you know, making sure that your dog's waste isn't just everywhere, but you know, it sucks. Like, like some of those bags just kind of fly off. You know, whenever it picks up high winds. I mean, we are right there next to an apartment complex, so they got those bags there, the little trash stations, the doggy duty trash stations. Oh, there's some metal. There we go. We recycle the metal, we get money off of it. Looks like a Gatorade cap. Ooh. And the ones I hate the most, cigarette butts. You think this isn't trash and you throw it out your window, you were mistaken, my friend. They're like the worst of the worst litterers. What is this? Nicotine channel? I don't even know. Oh, stop smoking aid. Ha! What else we got? More wrappers. Oh wow, look at this. This is unique. Somebody just left this. Somebody was like, all right, I'm just gonna wait here to cross and just leave this right here. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. That one is full. Is it warm? Cold? No, this happened a while back. All right, so I'm just gonna empty this. Put it in the bag. Man, lazy people. How can you be so damn lazy? That's what I don't get. Like, didn't your mother raise you right? Anybody like tell you not to litter? I bet you if you go inside these people's homes, it's just filthy. Another stinking cigarette, but I hate this. All right. Ooh, yeah. Let's go down here. It's really trashy down here. Y'all see in here just a moment. Oh, we got some Burger King. Love their burgers, but don't like the trash. Straws. Oh, what is that? What we got here? Y'all see that? Oh, it's a balloon. Squeaky, squeaky. Yeah, that's another thing. It was a blue balloon, so it could have been from one of those gender reveal parties. Which, I mean, again, you know, those are cool and everything, but whenever you release the balloons to show what gender it is, I mean, you are littering. I mean, it's all fun and games and seems cool, but you are littering. So there's got to be a better alternative there. All right, what else we got? I see some trash in there. What is that? Oh, that's a flag. All right, if it's a utility flag, I don't touch it. It's put there by the utility. Oh, oh my God. Pop-Tarts. All right, what else we got here? We got like a buffet of trash. Again, flag from the utility. It's already out of the ground, so you know I'm gonna take it, whatever. And that's the thing, like a lot of people think like, oh, you know, it's there for a reason, yeah, you know, but that reason could have expired, you know. Could have happened, they could have put this here like a year ago and just totally forgot about it. So they should be accountable for it. But look at this, like I just found this Busch beer can right here next to like utility box. It looks like a water box, but look at that. Like, I know that's the lid for that, but if you look closely, I don't know if you can see it, right in there. Look what we got. We got a little wine bottle. Crappy wine too, inside that little utility box. Come on now, people. Oh God. All right, what else we got around here? Oh my God, poor guy, poor little squirrel. Oh man. Oh jeez, people need to watch out. Nope. Look at here, no surprise, we got a fast food lid. What is this? I don't know what that is, but it's going in. We got over here, plastic. Look at this. Yeah, Planters peanut. Again, like wrappers, that's like usually what I see out here. Anywhere. I mean, I don't care. You've seen other videos of me picking up trash and downtown Houston. It's pretty much the same thing. Oh, what's this? What's this? What's this? Oh yeah, it's almost Halloween, by the way. This is PVC tubing right here. I don't know what they were doing, but they trashed it. They got rid of it. Oh, and another new thing that the pandemic has brought upon us: mask trash. Tons of it. Looks like a Coke bottle on top. What else we got around here? It's over here. I see something. What is it? Yep. Plastic bag. Put it there. What else is over there? I don't know if you can see it. Some light. Oh, that's probably styrofoam. A drink container, fast food container, more than likely. Yep, I was right. Who do you think that is? It looks like Burger King or Whataburger. I love Whataburger, but they usually have the most styrofoam drink container trash around here. Oop, there's a. Oh dang! Look at that. Come on. Come on. Why? You can recycle that. What else we got? What else we see? Oh! Wow, somebody really likes their bush. There was a tall boy bush and now a little shorty bush. Did some guy just come over here and start pounding beers? Oh my god, there's a third one! Alright, I'm thinking that, you know, they've been drinking a lot and they just threw all their trash out here. They were drinking and driving. That's usually what happens. That's usually why people throw alcoholic beverage containers out on the road, because they don't want to get caught drinking and driving. That's a plate, a paper plate. Oop. And yeah, Red Bull. I mean, I don't know, I just don't get it. Like, for real, just wait until you're at home. Like, the trash in your car is not that much of an inconvenience. What else we got over here? Scan the area. Boop, 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 boop. I don't see anything. Water bottle. What's that? Oh god! Oh, I gotta fight trees. I'm not fighting those. Alright, that's in the ground. That is not going anywhere. This is Deer Park water bottle. As we have. Oh, see some more. Oh man. What is this? Sangria. What else we got? Oh, I saw something. Container lid. All right, not seeing a whole lot right now. Got here. Oh, more wrappers. What is that? Three Musketeers. More wrapper trash. Oh, I almost passed that one up. Gotta have a good eye for this job. Is that a rock? Oh, it's a spray painted rock. All right, false alarm, my bad. All right, what else we got here? Oh. All right. Looked like snake skin there for a minute, but it's just tape. You know, a lot of this lightweight trash, you know, like the light plastic wrappers, you know, tape, stuff like that. You know, I mean, it's just, it could have its origin started like a mile away. You know, somebody could have thrown it away a mile away. And, you know, like it's so light, but when the wind picks up, especially a high wind, you know, it could travel so many miles. And you don't really know where the origin of it came from. Oh, styrofoam. But bottles, cans and stuff like that, no, you know exactly where they came from. They came from that area. All right, what do we got here? Sad, I'm not gonna touch that. What else we got over here on the side of the road? Oh, there's some trash. Oh, see some more. It's never ending here in the US, especially Texas. All right. Another bag. What is it? I got a label on it. No. Do, 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 do. What else we have? Anything. Oh, if you don't see trash, you know, just keep on walking. What do we got here? What is that? That's some really thin plastic. Alright, ooh, you see that? It's a drainage area, like a focused drainage area with a grate on there. You know, that's the sad part about all this trash, you know? Like, it eventually accumulates and will run down to these areas, which eventually these run into major water bodies of water, like a river or an ocean. Both for us in Houston, you know, it goes down the Brazos River and into the bayou, and then eventually into the Gulf of Mexico. You know, what do we got in there? Nothing. So, and this is a pretty big grate, so it doesn't like stop any trash. Like, trash can just make its way under here and literally just go wherever the water takes it. What we got here? A little bit of styrofoam. See? Oh, what is this? All right, again, that's the utility. I'm not gonna touch that. Oh, we got a baggie. Possession of a baggie. I'm not gonna lie, I have seen some stuff when I've picked up trash. I've seen needles, bags of drugs, and you know, I'm just like, oh my god, you know, that just kind of speaks for the type of people who are littering. And again, I mean, and you have to think about the psychology behind it. It makes sense, you know, like, you got to get rid of the evidence or else you're going to get caught. You know, that's why you see a lot of the beer cans and the beer bottles. You know, people are drinking and driving, so of course they're going to throw it out. You know, they don't want to get caught. I mean, that's the mentality behind that type of person who's doing drugs while they're driving. I mean, a lot of this trash is coming from people driving. They don't want to have the trash in their car or their vehicle, and they just throw it out. Oh, twisty tie. We got it here. Oh, is that tape? No, it's just a container. A long container. Where does that go to? Oh, got some more. More plastic. Oh god, so wooded over here. It's hard to move. Oh, a dryer sheet. When I was living in West Houston, oh my god, I found so many dryer sheets. I don't know why. I don't know why people would just throw dryer sheets out like that. Bottle cap to a water bottle. Like that. What that is? Some kind of wrapper. Oop. Oh, never mind. It's just a leaf. Oh, I see something. The Sony. Tisk. Like seriously, you can't just keep that in the car until you get home. Alright, what else we got? Ooh, I saw it. I don't know if you guys see this. Little bottle cap. Those are really important to get because you have birds that will see that. It attracts them because it's a lighter color, and they'll swallow it, and it just gets stuck in their stomach, and then you know it's just there, and it's never going to get digested. It's like wax paper. Oh my god, what is this? I don't know what it is, but some plastic bottles here. What is this? No. Oh, could have been the lid to it. Get in here. Oh my god, what is that? It's like a lid to something. Degrading plastic. Alright, there's a bunch of paper, it looks like. I'm not going to pick that up. And we're going to pick up the little wrapper next to it. Kit Kat wrapper. Oh yeah, and Halloween is upon us. Halloween is coming up in a few days, and let me tell you, we are going to have a massive amount of trash. It's just natural. You know, kids don't think about it. They'll just, you know, eat the candy, throw the wrapper on the ground. They don't think twice about it. So if you're a concerned parent, you care about Mother Nature, tell your kids, you know, open up the candy when they get home, or at least just put it in their pocket, or give them a costume that has a pocket. All right. I'm gonna go across the street. I'm gonna head back up. My battery's getting low. It's a GoPro. Their batteries don't last long at all. But, I mean, they're still great cameras. You can't beat them. So, keep on walking. We're gonna walk up here, start here, and go back up. Saw a couple of big pieces of trash on the way to this area. Look at that. Paper. Yeah, people think a napkin is harmless. Well, let me tell you, it is. You just saw it right there. Bubble wrap. Oh, Milky Way. What is it with Milky Way, people? Gay Way. Milky Way. Come on, why? Oh my god, there's a lot of little trash here. I don't know what that is, but more bubble wrap, styrofoam. Yeah, looks like somebody just got a lot of junk food. Oh my god, more bubble wrap. Jesus. Oh my god, yeah, okay, there's just a bunch of little wrapper trash right here. What is that? What is this? This. All that wrapper trash, man. Oh man. Alright, I see a couple of bottles in there. I'm gonna go get them. Wish me luck. Here I go. man, we got a bunch of trash over here. All right. Dr. Pepper bottle. Styrofoam. More styrofoam. More styrofoam. Oh wow. There's plastic. Insulation for a water pipe. Yeah, this is unacceptable. Oh wow, what do you know? More wrapper trash. Everywhere. People, this Halloween, wake up, you know. Like, do not throw that wrapper trash out the window. What do we got here? Yep, stereotypical styrofoam. Oh, it has a sprinkler head. You know, and you can tell, you know, if you're going to be doing this on your own. I don't know if you can see this blue flag right here, but you also see a blue marker on the side of the road, so that indicates that it's probably water line, you know, and the city just marked it. So you just don't want to touch that. You don't want to disturb that. You'll get in trouble for doing that. You just don't want to do that. Somebody spent time and effort to get that there. What is that? That's an egg. That's an egg. Huh, it's an eggshell. Leave that there. That's nature. More plastic wrap. What else we got? Not much. Ooh. All right. Now I know this area right here. It's a pizza joint right there. You know, you got these little containers for probably pizza sauce. Their patrons just don't care. You know, and again, it's very lightweight, so it just blows over here. Wrap her to something. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna do it. I shouldn't, but I'm gonna do it. There's a bottle. It's going in. Get that bottle. I see a can over there too. Oh, come on. Wow. Oh man, this one has some age to it. Bush ice, gross. Terrible taste in alcohol. See the water. Got a drought here. There you go, grass. I'm just gonna walk up to these mailboxes, kind of see what trash is here. Again, a lot of this is just very lightweight wrapper trash. Plastic wrap. Oh wow, a ton of bottles and cans that I just noticed in here. Oh my god. All right, I'm gonna do it. But I'm gonna find a better way to get in there. Oh my god, there's so much trash here. You guys wouldn't believe this. All right, y'all are gonna believe it. You're just gonna watch me do it. Here. All right, get the Bud Light. Great. Get over there. Oh my god, somebody had a drinking fest over here. All right, IPA, that's a good beer. What is this? I don't know. Starbucks. Oh my god, more wine bottles. Yep. Oh Jesus, is that a car part? It's a car part, people. You gotta go through a grill to a car. Somebody just tossed it. Yeah, thanks. Thanks for ruining Mother Nature, bro. Thanks. Plastic wrap. Got a straw. Doo-doo-doo. Styrofoam. Wow, this is like crumbling in my hand. So it's probably not even that old, you know, but just with the heat in Texas, you know, and just the type of plastic that it is, it's very brittle. Whenever the sun hits it, it just becomes more brittle. Oh my God, this is crazy. Look at this. This is practically all wine bottles. Who came here and got this piss drunk? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I feel like the count from Sesame Street. 8 wine bottles. Oh man. 9 wine bottles. Oh man, there's so much more over there. What happened? Jesus. Right here. Oh man. Alright, I'm gonna try and make it over there without getting cut up. Oh. 10, 11, 12. It's crazy. Oh. 13, 14 wine bottles. Oh my God, just keeps on getting more. Oh. This is ridiculous, people. Ridiculous. Why are there this many of the same wine bottle brands here? What happened? Seriously. More over there. I'm gonna take these. Broken. Oh, there's another one. No bottle left. Oh, even more. Jesus. Oh. See more. This is ridiculous, people. I've never seen this many like little wine bottles in such a focused location. What happened? I mean, okay, I'm trying to make light of this. Maybe somebody would get off of work and start drinking, and this was kind of like their favorite thing to drink. Jesus, ridiculous. And look at that. I'm just pulling this out. Jesus. All right. I think I can pick up any more wine bottles. I think that's it. Oh, nope. Another one over here. And a Miller Lite can. Oh. No, oh, wait a minute. Can't forget you. Oh my God. Oh. Just keep on coming. It's all the same brand too. Woodbridge. I'll never drink Woodbridge. Oh, another one. Somebody just buried this stuff? I think they did. It's crazy. Just think, I didn't really get that far, and this is the Woodlands. All right, I'm gonna go grab the bag. All right, look, Look at all these wine bottles. Like, that I just threw over here, and then I got more wine bottles. Here, let me get this stupid long piece of car trash. Let me just toss it. Come here, trusty bag. Alright, let's count up these wine bottles. Alright. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one's broken. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And that's just like what I picked up in this little area. I'm about to go pick up some more. Here. Oh, man. Oh, there's a big old liquor bottle right there. Bud Light. 21, 22, 23, 24. Oh no, this would be 24. Six, 7. Oh my god, there's a battery. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 3, 4, here, 5, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, God, 41. That's just a regular bottle. Two, 43, 4. Oh, shades. Cool, bro. Oh, man. All right. See over there. 45. Or did I say them already? I don't know. There's so many. Alright, let me get over here. Jesus. This bag is heavy now. Oh. Man. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. Oh my god, there's more. 69, 70, 71, 72. This is ridiculous. I've never seen this many wine bottles. Look at that. 73, 74. Christ. Oh man, just keep on. 6. I think that's it. Oh no, there's more. It's like the dude from the commercials. But wait, there's more. Oh man, all right.